If you have seen my previous video on Spanish Padron Peppers, we grew them from seeds, and once the saplings were big enough, we transplanted them in this planter and a couple more planters. And it's been 2 weeks and they have grown a little bit. So the trick is that they need warm weather. If it is cold, then they are not going to grow. So as soon as the temperature became around 25 degrees centigrade in daytime, they started to grow fast. It took them a long time to get started, but now they have been growing nicely. They are at least probably a little more than a foot tall. So our pepper plants have grown at least 2.5 feet tall, and now I see flowers. So that's nice. Pepper plants, the Spanish Padron pepper plants have grown very big. They are about 2.5 feet tall, and I see some flowers. Although I had seen some flowers earlier also, but it seems like they didn't pollinate because I don't see a pepper forming there. So like most vegetables, they require a lot of water, lot of sun, and rich organic soil. So I mean, I'm using almost all compost and some coco peat and some leaves, but if you are using a regular soil, maybe you want to add some fertilizer. So our pepper plants have grown really tall. They are about 4 feet tall and they are very healthy and everything, but I don't see too many peppers. Here is a big one and lot of flowers coming, and I see small peppers but not much. And the only reason that I can think of is that this place doesn't get too much sun. It gets about 2 to 3 hours of sun in the whole day. And I told you in the beginning that this requires a lot of sun, like 5 to 6 hours. So fortunately, so here is another one, a small pepper. So we do have peppers. It's not that it's not fruiting, but for such a big healthy tree plant, I was expecting much more. So fortunately, I had also planted another set of pepper saplings, because I had extra, and I'll show you how they are doing. So here are my 3 pepper plants, and they get about 6 to 7 hours of sun the whole day. They're not as tall. They are probably 2.5 feet tall. But if you look at the peppers, it has so many peppers. So like here, it's really hard to see because I mean, these plants are doing very well. They have a lot of peppers growing, a lot of new flowers coming. You can see even on the top. So basically that's what it is, because I planted the saplings at the same time. 2 saplings I planted there and 3 in here. Here they get about 6 to 7 hours of sunlight, and there it gets about 2 to 3 hours of sunlight, and you can see the difference. So I mean, this is a really good comparison, and for you to know that when you are trying to grow peppers, I think any kind of peppers, that they need a lot of sun. So now especially these Spanish Padron peppers, they need to be harvested while they are still young. So I'm going to harvest them now. Now even these plants, you know, the ones which get about 2-3 hours of direct sunlight, even they are growing lot of peppers. I see suddenly lot of peppers growing, you know, lot of flowers, lot of peppers. So the ones in the sun, they produced peppers faster, but even this one is working now, so no issues there, but just wanted to let you know. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.